Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we'll be featuring the best easy foundation plants for beginners. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Number 1. Boxwood, Buxus sempervirens. Boxwoods are classic evergreen shrubs often used in front yards for a reason. They look neat, stay green all year, and handle shaping well. You can prune them into round mounds, squares, or even short hedges, making them one of the most versatile foundation plants you can grow. They grow slowly and live for decades, giving a timeless, structured look that fits both modern and traditional homes. When planting, leave about 2 to 3 feet between each shrub so air can circulate. This helps prevent mildew. They prefer full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Mulching around the base keeps the roots cool in summer and protects them in winter. Water deeply once a week during dry periods and avoid frequent light watering. Boxwoods are drought-tolerant once established, but young plants still need consistent moisture. They're perfect under windows, along walkways, or as a green base layer under flowering plants. Number 2. Stonecrop sedum autumn joy. Stonecrop, or sedum, is the ultimate plant-it-and-forget-it perennial. It thrives where many other plants struggle: hot spots, poor soil, and dry foundations. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, so it doesn't mind neglect. In spring, it grows upright green stems with succulent leaves. By late summer, it produces clusters of pink flowers that slowly turn coppery bronze in fall. These blooms attract bees and butterflies, adding life and color to your garden even when most plants are fading. Stonecrop loves full sun and does best in well-drained sandy or rocky soil. Avoid overwatering or fertilizing. It grows best with less care. Cut the old stems back to the ground in early spring to encourage fresh growth. It's excellent for the front edge of your foundation bed or mixed with ornamental grasses for texture. Number 3. Hosta SPP. If your home's foundation sits in shade for most of the day, Hosta are the perfect choice. These perennials come back year after year, forming large leafy clumps that instantly make shaded areas look lush and full. They come in hundreds of varieties, small ones for borders and giant ones that can fill entire corners. Leaf colors range from deep green to bluish gray and variegated patterns of white or yellow. Hosta prefer partial to full shade and moist, well-drained soil. They thrive in cooler, shaded spots near walls, fences, or trees. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially in summer, but don't let it stay soggy. To maintain healthy plants, remove spent flower stalks after blooming and divide clumps every few years if they get too crowded. Because slugs love Hosta, mulch with crushed eggshells or use organic slug repellents if needed. Hosta mix beautifully with ferns, astilbes, or coral bells for layered shade gardens that look professional but require little effort. Number 4. Hydrangea paniculata. Hydrangeas bring beautiful seasonal color to any home. Panicle hydrangeas are especially beginner-friendly. They're tough, adaptable, and bloom reliably every summer. Varieties like Little Lime or Bobo stay compact, making them perfect near windows or porches. Their cone-shaped blooms start white and gradually turn soft pink as the season progresses. They prefer full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Morning sun with light afternoon shade is ideal, especially in hot climates. Adding compost at planting time improves soil structure and keeps the roots happy. Water deeply once or twice a week during dry periods, especially in their first year. Hydrangeas benefit from light pruning in late winter or early spring to encourage new flowering stems. Panicle hydrangeas are hardy even in colder regions and give months of blooms, making them one of the most rewarding shrubs for any foundation garden. Number 5. Dwarf Arborvitae, Thuja occidentalis tater-tot. This compact evergreen shrub forms a naturally round, tidy shape with soft green foliage. It's one of the easiest foundation evergreens to maintain, no heavy pruning or shaping required. Dwarf Arborvitae is ideal beneath windows, along walkways, or at the corners of flower beds. Because it stays short, it won't block sunlight or views. It grows well in full to partial sun and adapts to many soil types, including sandy or clay soil, as long as drainage is good. Water it regularly for the first year until the roots settle in. In winter, the foliage can take on a slightly bronze tint, normal for this variety. Adding mulch helps insulate the roots and retain moisture. Because it resists boxwood blight and deer browsing, it's a great alternative for anyone who wants a reliable evergreen border with minimal care. Number 6. Juniper, Juniperus horizontalis. Junipers are tough, low-spreading evergreens that thrive in conditions most plants would struggle with. They tolerate full sun, heat, drought, and poor soil, perfect for exposed spots near driveways or walkways. The foliage ranges from deep green to blue-green, depending on the variety, and forms a soft carpet that naturally suppresses weeds. Plant junipers about 4 feet apart so they can spread and fill in over time. They prefer well-drained sandy soil and full sun. Once established, they require almost no maintenance other than light trimming to control width if needed. Junipers are also deer and rabbit resistant, making them excellent for low-maintenance landscapes. Their ability to stay evergreen through all seasons adds texture and stability to the foundation area, especially when paired with flowering perennials or taller shrubs. Number 7. Rose of Sharon, Hibiscus syriacus. Rose of Sharon is a hardy flowering shrub that adds color and height to the back layer of your foundation garden. It's known for its long blooming season, often from midsummer until early fall. The large, tropical-looking flowers come in shades of blue, pink, purple, and white, often with a red center. Each bloom lasts a single day, but new ones keep appearing for weeks, providing continuous color. It grows best in full sun and well-drained, moderately fertile soil. Once mature, it tolerates heat, humidity, and short dry spells with ease. Minimal pruning is needed, just remove any winter damage or shape it slightly in early spring. Because it grows upright, it's ideal for planting at corners or near taller walls to balance the height of the house. Rose of Sharon attracts pollinators such as bees and hummingbirds and provides a bright focal point when most summer plants start to fade. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best easy foundation plants for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!